Hello everyone, welcome to How to Enjoy Mexico. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Mexican food. Mexican food is delicious and world-renowned, and there are so many different dishes to choose from. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Mexican dishes, how to make them, and where to find them in Mexico. Some of the most popular Mexican dishes include tacos. Tacos are one of the most popular Mexican dishes. They are made with tortillas that are filled with a variety of ingredients, such as meat, beans, cheese, vegetables, and salsa. Tacos can be eaten as a snack or as a meal. Enchiladas. Enchiladas are made with tortillas that are rolled up and filled with a variety of ingredients, such as meat, beans, cheese, vegetables, and salsa. Enchiladas are then topped with more sauce and cheese and baked in the oven. Burritos. Burritos are made with a large tortilla that is filled with a variety of ingredients, such as meat, beans, rice, cheese, vegetables, and salsa. Burritos are then rolled up and eaten as a handheld meal. Nachos. Nachos are made with chips that are topped with a variety of ingredients, such as cheese, beans, meat, vegetables, and salsa. Nachos are then baked in the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Mole. Mole is a rich and complex sauce that is made with a variety of ingredients, such as chili peppers, chocolate, nuts, and spices. Mole is typically served with chicken or beef. Tamales. Tamales are made with cornmeal dough that is filled with a variety of ingredients, such as meat, beans, cheese, vegetables, and salsa. Tamales are then wrapped in corn husks and steamed. Quesadillas. Quesadillas are made with a tortilla that is filled with a variety of ingredients, such as cheese, beans, meat, vegetables, and salsa. Quesadillas are then folded in half and cooked on a griddle or in a pan until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Guacamole. Guacamole is a dip that is made with avocados, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and lime juice. Guacamole is typically served with chips or vegetables. Salsas. Salsas are made with a variety of ingredients, such as chili peppers, tomatoes, onions, and spices. Salsas are typically served with chips or on top of other dishes, such as tacos, burritos, and enchiladas. Churros. Churros are a type of fried dough that is typically dusted with sugar and cinnamon. Churros are typically served with chocolate sauce or caramel sauce. How to make Mexican food. Mexican food is relatively easy to make at home. There are many recipes available online and in cookbooks. You can also find many Mexican restaurants that serve home-cooked food. Where to find Mexican food? Mexican food can be found all over the world. There are Mexican restaurants in almost every major city. You can also find Mexican food in supermarkets and specialty stores. Conclusion: Mexican food is a delicious and diverse cuisine that has something to offer everyone. If you've never tried Mexican food, I encourage you to give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Mexican food. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed learning about Mexican food.